Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for it from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. My dad yourself for telling no what going for that to go on. You see me? So let's just kick it off with dancehall artist Flippa Mafia. It's being alleged that he has been arrested again by the feds. You see, some people problem in the comment section because you know he is out on parole. You see, and he's still being supervised. And if him really get caught up in the foolishness again, boy, me not sorry for him. But it's definitely not a good look. You see, you already know he's a high-profile individual. And if him really playing dirty with the boys watching him, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But nevertheless, this is what the sender said. As you can see, in the wee early hours on Mother's Day, them said them gone with him. You see, the sender said something with some mailing business. No, if you know his previous locked up, he was mailing coke from like California to New Jersey. You see, so the same mailing business, I got to get him locked up. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And you know, me think of Vibes Cartel put the pressure upon them boy you have to go back in the game, you know, because you know Cartel buy X amount of jewelry, vehicles, and the mansion them in America. So you know the people them said, yo, them need to get busy once more, you know. And honestly, I'm going to tell you no lie. I've been thought he got back in the game, but a few days ago when he was posting the old Sting stuff, he said, me notice, him look like, him did want to go back in the game and him talk about dolphins, not need fins. Forget him visa. The streets are fight him, but the people them know what go on for that to go on. You see? Now, even though them say he's arrested and this is America, I still haven't located him. So I don't know if he's in, you know, local custody or federal custody. I checked the federal inmate. You know, the FBI thing and them not dead in. You see, say he's not in ICE, his side. So this is still fresh. Maybe they're, you know, debriefing him and all of these stuff. And, you know, filling out the necessary paperwork to send him back to finish him time. Because, you know, they charge him with kingpin status. These are some of the details of his release. As you can see, it's active. Thing. But, well, you know what I mean? They have him second chance and I'm going back in it again. So I really cannot feel sorry. You see me? And you know, and this is why you can't blame Cartel for no one entertain no foolishness. You see, with these violent lyrics and all of this stuff. So that's why you see, you know, I'm saying God is the greatest and all of this good stuff. But I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on for that to go on. If me get any more intel, which I will, I'll let you know at all. You see me? So do the right thing and subscribe to the King. And check out these next suggested videos and sip on the screen. In the meantime, you see me? Bless.